Well, I think you'll find this a very interesting series. As usual, it's all about you. But I mean the true you. Your immortal self. Your true identity. Not the little garment that you wear, with which you are so identified that you think it to be yourself. No, I'm not speaking of that. I'm speaking of the true you. The being that has no beginning and will have no end. That's the being. Now, our textbook is really the Bible. But biblical language evokes rather than describes. It is all about another world and all about the sons of God who purposely, deliberately came down into this age and are now buried in humanity. And the plan devised before that the world was for their return, thus the experience, the tasting of death, for this is the world of death. So the plan is contained within you, the true you, and you are buried in the man you think you are. And you are not that man at all. It's only a garment, like a suit of clothes that you're wearing. Now tonight my subject is, I say you are God. This is taken from the 82nd Psalm. In 1888, Thomas King, who was the editor of a book that is still to this day considered the most scholarly of all of the higher criticisms of the Bible, called the Encyclopedia Biblica. And he wrote, no song makes a stronger demand than this upon the historic imagination of the interpreter. The ideas may be perennial, but their outward forms are no longer understood. Now let me quote the passages that he could not understand. And to this day, if you take the historic imagination of man, treating the Bible as secular history, they all will flounder.